Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you to this smartwatch for women. It's a Bluetooth call answer dial smartwatch for Android phones and of course for iOS phones too. It's a digital fitness watch. This is waterproof. It's a sport watch with activity tracker and heart rate monitor, blood pressure monitor, and sleep monitor too, and so many other options. It is awesome because this device here brings us so much joy. It is functional for so much things. You can answer, you can make, you can reject a call. That means Bluetooth call smartwatch is possible. You have to pair your phone with the app to your watch, and then you can call, you can answer, and of course you can reject a call as well. We have a 1.32 inches HD screen. We enjoy visual feast, custom personalized dials. Sports style, minimalism, or business style. We can always find what we want. The face of this watch can be adjusted by the app, and there are so many different wallpapers possible. It's really cool. And we have sport modes for a lot of sports like running, hiking, and so on. This watch have so much sports you can perform, and you can see for a goal, steps, distance, calories, what you like, and more. It's a smart information reminder. This smart watch will vibrate reminder. We will never miss important informations again. You can use it for Facebook Messenger, for WhatsApp, for Skype, for Twitter, and so many more. It is like on your smartphone comes a notification bar from the upper side, okay? And this information will go to your smartwatch and gives you information about this chat, for example. The length of this device is in total with the band 270 millimeter. The body is 46 millimeter, and we have a menu shortcut key. We have a digital crown. We have a workout shortcut key. These are two keys on the right side of the watch. You can push there to make a workout on the bottom side, or the digital crown comes to the menu and so on. It is a touch screen on it. You can use touch function. Maximum around your wrist is 230 millimeter, the minimum 140. 2 hours of charging, and it is magnetic charging connection. 2 until 3 days in a normal use distance. 10 days standby time is possible. And you have in that box here 2 wristbands. One is a golden style wristband, and the other is a silicone band for fitness, for example. And we have a lot of app functions. We switch to customized dial through the app, for example. We discover more dials through the app. We can personalize our profiles on it. And of course, we have a good matches band with a good matches body of the watch on our wrist here. And it looks really beautiful, I think. The watch face, for example. We can long press the watch face button. It can be changed to 4 different watch faces. It shows dates or times, etc. More watch faces, we can go to the app Fit Cloud Pro and watch the faces discovery, more dials. We choose the dial, download immediately, done. Then we can see the dial with be showed in our watch. And we have a vibration settings. downslide, the screen will display the interface. Then we click the brightness adjustment to adjust this, for example. We need to use the watch with another phone. We need to reset the watch. When we close everything, we just throw the factory settings under settings. That's possible too. So you can use this watch like a smartphone, an extra smartphone on your wrist. That's awesome. We have a vibration motor built in. It supports a vibration mode. We have Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity. The working temperature from -10 degrees Celsius up to around about 50. The battery type is a sensor battery. We have the system requirements Android 4.4 or above and iOS 7.9. That's awesome, it's easy, and it looks really cool, this smartwatch here by the ZKCREATION smartwatch for women. Of course, if you are not a woman, it's okay to wear this too. But I think the main focus here is on the woman, on the femme side of life. It is awesome to call, to answer, to dial with an awesome smartwatch for Android phones and iOS, so Apple phones. It's a digital fitness tracker. It's waterproof, so you can go swimming. You should not go deep diving with it, of course, but it's waterproof. You have an activity tracker and, of course, a sleep monitor, so you can see what's going on at the night. That's a big bunch of possibilities, which give this watch on your wrist. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.